Welcome to the Code of R, and today is the introductory video on the web and the HTML, and my name is Ashish. So we are going to learn a lot about the web today. So moving on to the web, what's exactly a web, which is also known as the World Wide Web? So according to the Wikipedia, World Wide Web, or simply web, is an information space where the documents and other web resources are identified by URLs interlinked via hypertext links and can be accessed via internet. So just don't worry when I say these words like URL and hypertext links. I'll be explaining you in a few minutes, and all of these things will get cleared that what exactly is a URL and a hypertext link. In simple words, you can also say that it's a bunch of computers, also known as servers, hosting the web pages of a certain website. There are several kinds of websites, such as social networking websites, search engines like Google, knowledge portals like Quora, and shopping portals like Amazon or eBay. So let's move on to understand something more, such as why do we exactly need a website? So there are several kinds of websites, and there are millions of utilities of such a website, such as Google is a search engine. It was used for searching various kinds of things. It's used for searching almost everything we want to know. And Facebook is a social networking site which helps to connect with people. Quora is a question and answer website which also is a blogging platform. And we know about Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, and all these sites are various kinds of sites, and they have tremendous amount of utilities. And it was according to the survey, it was known that there are billions of websites till now. So there are huge potential of what we can do by a website. It is also used for displaying information of research or any other data. Now, as I said before, we'll be learning more about what is exactly a URL, or Uniform Resource Location, which is simply just the web address of the website. So here, this is the front page or the home page of the site Facebook. So here you can see after the HTTPS, it's written www.facebook.com. So this is exactly the URL of Facebook. It's the web address. It's a uniform web address which shows about the location of Facebook on this space, information space, or the internet. Now, moving on. So what exactly is a hypertext link? Sounds funky, but it is not. So this is the home page of the Internet Knowledge Portal, which is What Physics Can Tell Us, which is a sister project of WikiLearn. And so here, when I click the link Peapod, then we'll be opening the page of Physics Picture of the Day, which is a project of What Physics Can Tell Us. So when I click upon certain certain link on the site, which links to the other web page of the same website, then it is known as hypertext link, which is present on a web page which connects to another web page of a website. So, or for different website. So in this page, as I have already told, the hypertext link connects the home page of the knowledge portal to one of its pages. So moving on, we'll be knowing more about more about the web. So what is exactly a web browser? And we know there are several kinds of web browsers. There's Google Chrome, there is Internet Explorer, there is Mozilla Firefox, there is Apple Safari, and several web browsers. So web browsers are software applications which are present on the devices, which helps in accessing the web pages or the internet. So as I have already mentioned, there are several kinds of web browsers present which can be downloaded. So as I've told, the devices which helps in accessing the internet on which the browser is present is known as a client. There are several kinds of clients which are present, such as there can be a phone, there can be a tablet, there can be a laptop, there can be computers. So there are several kinds of clients which are present. So now moving forward, this will be knowing that there are several kinds of languages which are used for making a website. In general, we use HTML or hypertext markup language, which provides a general structure for formation of a website. We use CSS for making the website more artistic and colorful, and we use JavaScript for making the site even more interactive by introduction of various elements. So other than that, there are some more kind of languages such as XHTML, but that's of later concern. In the R of the code, we'll be learning mostly on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you. We'd love to hear you, and feel free to contact about suggestions about how to improve the websites. For knowing more, you can contact us through email, website, or blog. Thank you.